Welcome to the Word 2007 Lesson 3. In this lesson we're going to go over how to format text. I have a document open here that I'm going to edit as we go along. We're going to start by highlighting the words, our summer barbecue, and we're going to start with working with our fonts. So we're going to highlight the text in the flyer, and then in the Home tab, click on the down arrow in the font section, and this is going to give you a list of all of the font styles available in Word 2007. You can use the scroll bar to scroll down to see a variety of text and fonts. And if you just place your mouse over any of these, it's going to change the font in your flyer so you can preview it before you select it. For this flyer, I'm going to select the Akeem font. Now I'm going to come down here and highlight the remaining text and change that to the Bakerville Old Face. I want to talk about another way to change the font style, but we're not going to make any more changes to the flyer. This is for reference only. In the Style section of the Home tab, you'll see an arrow of preset fonts. The preset styles will change an entire font style theme for the document. To get a better idea of what I'm talking about, click the down arrow on the Change Styles button. Place your mouse over the font selection. Notice that there are 2 to 3 fonts listed under each theme. This will give the heading in the document a different style than the body of the document. This makes for quick and easy formatting for the entire document. Okay, we're going to move on to adjusting the point size for font. Adjusting font size can add emphasis and style to your document. In this flyer, notice after changing the font style to the words "Our Summer Barbecue," all of the text doesn't fit on one line. The current font size is set to 70, so we're going to highlight "Our Summer Barbecue" and click on the 70. Make sure that it's highlighted and type 53. And press enter. The other option to change a font size is to click the drop-down menu and select from one of the sizes from the list. This option does not allow all of the customizing options. This is simply a list of the most popular sizes. So I'm going to highlight some more text here. Click on the down arrow and select 28. And then select 36 for the date and time. The last way to change a font size is to use the grow and shrink buttons. So I'm going to highlight the address and RSVP down here, and these are the grow and shrink buttons. To increase the font to 22, I'm going to push that twice, and then to decrease it, it works the same way. Okay, now we're going to apply some character effects. Character effects consist of bold, italic, underline, strike through, font color, etc. These are just one more way of adding flair to your document. All of these features are in the font section of the Home tab. So I'm going to go back up to the top and highlight the text again. And then while the text is highlighted, I'm going to click the down arrow of the color option. In this menu, you will see several color themes. You're able to select one of these options to change the text color. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom color. So I'm going to come down here, click on More Colors, and then I'm going to select the Custom option. There are two ways to create color in this window. The first option is to click on the color palette and then move the arrow up and down to the shade selector. So if I wanted a green color, and then right here where it says New is the color that I'm going to select. To create the color we want, I'm going to type the values in the red, green, and blue. So for red, I'm going to type 250. Green, I'm going to type 101. And blue, I'm going to type 27. And that's going to give me this orange color here that will match the flyer. And then click OK to apply the changes. I'm going to highlight the rest of the text here and go over that one more time. Custom colors, then I'm going to create my custom color with 27, 72, and 92. And then I'm going to highlight this and take away the italicize, and then change the beginning text to bold. I want to show you a window that will allow you to change all of the font options. Click on the small icon in the lower right hand corner of the font section in the Home tab. This will open the font window. In this window you can change the font style, size, color, and effects. In the lower box of the window you will see a preview of what the text will look like when you OK the selections. When you've made all the changes to your text, then click the OK button and the changes will be made. So we've done all of this using the ribbon tab and the options in each section in the ribbon tab, but you can make everything, do all the same editing options that we've already done in this window. In this tutorial, we made the changes to the text that was already typed. When you're creating your own document, you can make these changes before you begin typing, and the text will type in styles and effects you selected. In Word 2007, you can align text 4 different ways. The options to align text are in the paragraph section of the Home tab, right here. So I'm going to highlight all of the text in this first text box and click on Center, and it's going to justify it to center in that text box. And the alignment buttons move the text to align it on the page according to the margins, or in this case aligning it to the text box. The alignment buttons show you how the text will be aligned: left, center, right, or justify. Justify will align the right and left margins and add extra space to make the alignment correct. That concludes Lesson 3, Formatting Text for Word 2007.